Ditikatikwe tsa tlhabollo ya bana di le dintsi di samagane le matsapa a go itlamela fa e sa le moageng o fetileng. Mme jaaka naga e itemogela lekhubu la boraro la leroborobo di tsweletse go dira fela dituelo tsa badiri ba tsone di saletse morago.
If money has not been spent, many a times it goes back to Treasury and Treasury decides what needs to be done with that money. But in this particular case, we were able to negotiate and have conversation with Treasury, who then enabled us to do a rollover. So those who have not been paid will be paid. To this end, all provincial departments, let me take this opportunity to assure all qualifying ECD services that they will definitely receive their payments. Provincial treasuries are seized with this matter, and we expect payment to be made within the next few weeks upon receipt of the confirmation letter from the provincial treasuries.
Go le jalo bagodi ba feta dimilione di le 3 ba setse ba tlhabetswe COVID-19. Fela ketelo kwa mafelong a bone ga ya letlelelwa.
We appeal for understanding and urge families and friends to continuously keep in touch through telephone and video calls, as well as make use of the new ways of connecting with our loved ones via virtual platforms.
Zulu o tlhalositse fa ditirelo tsa SASSA di tle go tswelela ntle le kgoreletso. Dipatlisiso ka ga bogodu ba madi a dikotlo di tle go tshwarwa.
Why are people getting those grants? Are they really duly South Africans? And we've stopped those grants and we'll deal with them as on a case by case. But those were stopped.
Lefapha la re madi a dikotlo a tle go duelwa go simolola la bobedi mo bekeng e e tlang. Molemone motho wa SABC News, Pretoria.